Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by locking in a single wake time and treating it as non-negotiable. This creates a circadian anchor. Next, remove light and screen cues before bed because light shifts melatonin timing. Now pick your sleep duration target, usually 7 to 9 hours, and calculate the bedtime. Start tonight. Dim lights, cool the room, and avoid naps longer than 20 minutes. This is the how and why, consistency, and trains the clock. Immediate environmental control speeds the process. Once your anchor is set, you perform a progressive phase shift. Move bedtime earlier in small steps, 15 to 30 minutes every 2 to 3 nights, so your body adjusts without stress. Make sure to expose yourself to bright morning light for 20 to 30 minutes soon after waking to reinforce the new rhythm. Also stabilize meal and exercise timing because metabolic cues affect sleep timing. Together, small gradual shifts and consistent daytime signals realign your. To finish, hold your chosen wake time for 2 to 4 weeks to consolidate the new schedule. Repetition is what converts change into habit. If you lie awake more than 20 minutes, get up and do a quiet activity under dim light until sleepy. This prevents bed from becoming a wake cue. If problems persist beyond a few months or daytime functioning is impaired, seek professional assessment because there may be underlying sleep disorders requiring targeted treatment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.